Good morning children, how are you all? Once again today we will learn about the subject that is EVS. Today in the EVS class we will learn about the lesson number 3 animal world. For like us itself, animals also different kinds of animals on the earth and they are moving one place to another place. I think you are observing animals in your surroundings, like whether it is a cow, buffalo, dog, pig, and even the birds. And I think you observed their movement also. Okay, today we will learn about the animal world and where it will live. For some animals we will only build. Is any dog can build the kennel for itself? No, correct. So, because we will build the homes for them, whether for the dog or hen or the horse. So, for the dog we will build the kennel, correct? And for the horse, yeah, they are staying in the stable. What the home we will build for the horse, that is called the stable. And also for the hens, that the poultry they kept the homes, no, that is called the coops. Okay, these are the human made homes for the animals. Why we will make the homes for the animals? Because we will love, correct, and also they will adjust with us. So that's why we will build the homes for the animals. And some animals are there, they can build their own homes. For example, lion, where it will live? Yeah, it's live in a den, correct, on the Guhenali, where in the jungles the more big rocks are there, no? Under that rocks the animals will live, that is called the den. Okay, and also the rabbit, it will live under the ground like burrow, correct, and the squirrels, it will live on the tree. Okay, like that some animals they are will take the shelter. Okay, see, open the textbook, once glance with me. Okay, lesson number 3, animal world. See, some animals they given in the they shown in the books, that is what they shown. See here, rabbit, correct, it lives squirrel, it lives on the tree. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A giraffe lives in the shade of the trees. And the duck, I think you saw the duck. The duck lives in water, both on land and water. Okay, and also in the water it has a webbed feet to swim. Okay, and the lion, it lives in a den, and the birds, it will build the nest for them. Okay, and also see, I told no, the dog, we build the kennel for the dog, and the coop for the hen, and the stable for the horse. And some animals are in different sizes. Some animals are big, some animals are tall, some animals are small, some animals are tiny. Okay, so let's see, in this page they given us some animals. Can you tell me which animal it is? Yeah, elephant, lion, yes, giraffe, then a housefly, an ant, a squirrel, a deer, a crocodile, then a rabbit, a cow, a monkey, and a zebra. So these are the animals which are in different kinds, different sizes. Some animals are very big. Which are the big animals here? Yes, elephant, then giraffe. Okay, and also lion, and then yes, tiger. Okay, zebra. So these are all called the big animals. And which are the small animals here? See, yeah, a deer, a monkey, and the rats is okay, rabbit, These are all the small animals. And very small animals means like insects, housefly and ant, okay, mosquitoes, those are all the small animals. Now here in the textbook they are asking, write the names of the animals in order of their size. Okay, the smallest one will come first. So you have to write by seeing these pictures. Okay, you have to write the names of the animals in this column. And also see here, animals will not stay in one place. Animals move from one place to another. Why they will move one place to another? Because as humans we will grow the crops, we will grow the food, we will prepare the food, we will eat. Okay, but for the animals, no one will prepare and give the food for the animals. Can you saw the animals itself can prepare the food? No, correct. So, what they will do? For the main purpose, they will move from one place to another place to look after the food and shelter and also the water. Actually, I think you observed near the river, yeah, in the jungle it is the river is there. So that's why the jungle grown near the river, and all the wild animals they are living in the jungle. It's near the river side itself, because main purpose they have want water. Like human beings, we will also drink water, no? For like us, animals also need water. And how we are staying in our home? They also want to stay in, they also want to take the shelter. Nerelu beke beko. How many times, how much time the animals will stand in the hot sun? That's why they look for the shelter. For that purpose also the animals will move. And also main purpose is protect themselves from the enemies. So who are the enemies for the animals? You will ask. Yes, you had there. For example, giraffe is the tall animal, but it is scared of the tiger, lions, because it will catch and they will eat. Okay, that's why it will scare. That is called the, for giraffe, lions and tigers are the enemies. Okay, and for the snake, yeah, the eagle. Eagle is the enemy for the snake, and also the vulture. Okay, and some animals are there, they are run very fast, like cheetah, horse, and then zebra are called the good runners. Okay, and they have, why? Because they have the strong legs to run fast. See, are you observing these one? Yes, a cheetah, and see how they strong legs using for to run. And animals like cows, buffaloes and elephants walk on the land with their 4 legs. Animals like apes, bear can walk with their 2 hind limbs. Hind limbs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. That is called the hind limbs. I think you observed ape, gorilla ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? So they will use their hind limbs to walk. And kangaroo, grasshopper and the rabbits are hopping animals. Okay, they will hop. Hop andre jump ಮಾಡೋದು. Like how you will in the games video will do the activities, no, hopping activities, jump ಮಾಡೋದು. So like that these animals will don't walk, always they will jump. And reptiles like lizard, tortoise, turtle and crocodiles have 4 legs. I think you saw the lizard in the home. And tortoise is the reptile which lives on land and water both, but it is tortoise means it will stay near the river side. Turtle means it will stay in the sea. ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನ ಟರ್ಟಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಬಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ 4 legs, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಲ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಸಿ, ಟಾರ್ಟಾಯ್ಸ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್, ಅದ್ರ ಬಾಡಿನೇ ದಪ್ಪ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕಿನ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ದ ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, crocodile 4 legs, but the body itself is the weight. That's why it won't run, it will only crawl ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯೋ, ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹರಿದಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸ್ನೇಕ್, ant, and then a louse, and then a bug, correct? ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾರಲ್ಲ, ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಓಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಲ್. ಹರಿದಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಗು ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದು ಎದ್ದು ಓಡಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಕ್ರಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ರೆಪ್ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹರಿಯೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೈ. ಓಕೆ, ವೈ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾರುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹಾರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ. ದೇ ಮೂವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು another. Even the insects like wasps and butterfly. Wasps ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇದು ಜೀರುಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಕಣಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ, ಬಟ್ ದಪ್ಪ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ 2 pairs of wings to fly. The housefly have only 1 pair of wings to fly. Okay, I think now you are observe the housefly. It will come to you, it will visit to your home. No, once you can observe the wings. Okay, if we will go near, it will fly, but it's okay. Once you can observe. And even bat is an animal, but it is a fly. And some animals, birds are there, like kiwi, penguin, and ostrich. Ostrich is a very fast runner. Okay, and penguins have the weak wings. It won't fly madakagalla, but it will swim. Okay, and then fish have neither legs nor wings, but they swim with their fins. ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದನ್ನು ಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಬೈ ಪುಷಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ದೇರ್ ವೆಬ್ಡ್ ಫೀಟ್. ಕಾಲನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಫ್ರಾಗು ಕೂಡ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ಸ್. ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈಡ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪು ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿ, ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಹೌ ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ children, today we will learn about the lesson number 3, that is animal world, and their movements and their sizes of the animals, insects, okay, and then how they will protect, and all kinds of animals we will learn. Okay, once you have to go through these textbooks, read the lessons correctly 2 or 3 times, and learn the spelling, all the animals spelling. Okay, and then do the activity. Okay, and SLA I will send to the WhatsApp. Thank you kids, take care, bye.